very good day to my dear lecturer of public speaking skills, Miss Amida, and my dear friends. I am Kavanesh Nair Anandan and my metric number is 282906. Today I am going to talk about chin strap detection and alcohol detection system in safety helmet. And I am going to inform about the efficiency of these developed helmet safety features. And they have three main problems: if safety for motorcycle riders, functions of chin strap detector and alcohol detection system, and the most awaiting and interesting part is how the system works. Let's go. In terms of vehicle ownership, Malaysia is the world's third most popular country with the highest rate of vehicle ownership, behind the United States and Japan. In Malaysia, it is estimated that 93% of the population has access to their own private vehicles. Although 93% own the private vehicles, only 32.3 million people own motor vehicle. However, the Malaysian fatal accident rates among motorists have been continuously increasing, and the nation is currently ranked third of the Asia overall. As stated by New Straits Times, Malaysia had 4.94 million accidents over the previous few decades, with a motorist fatality rate of 2019 was 3,959 cases in 2019, which is extraordinarily high when compared to other developed countries. Ladies and gentlemen, now was the very important part. I'm going to tell you guys why we created this innovation. There are several problems that faced to create this innovation. The first was road structure are in danger condition. Road condition is one of the factors of road accidents. It may refer to the surface, structure and safety level. Bad condition of road, such as having too many dangerous bends and wet road surface. Road surface might be caused by bad weather conditions such as rain. Based on the research, in Malaysia, the rate of accidents is increasing every year and causing losses in many terms as fatalities, injuries and damages. Other than losses of manpower due to the fatalities or disabilities, the government also must spend billions to improve the road infrastructure and carry out road safety campaigns as well. Hence, all relevant parties such as Department of Road Safety Malaysia, Ministry of Transport also cooperate to overcome the problem of the road accidents in Malaysia. The level of awareness of road safety among Malaysians should be improved because through the studies conducted, it found our awareness of this regard is still at an unsatisfactory level. The second problem is careless of helmet wear. The most important factor in deciding whether a rider destiny will be safe or harmful is the rider's behavior while riding. The use of correctly fitting helmet may reduce the likelihood of death by 42% and the likelihood of severe injury by around 70%. Although 76% of fatal accident motorists wear helmets, 20% of motorcyclists do not wear helmets, and the remaining 4% are irresponsible in properly adjusting the chin strap on their helmet, which add to the fatality rate. Although 76% of motorcycle riders wear helmets and are engaged in fatal accidents because of unpredictable circumstances, while not wearing a helmet or wearing a helmet improperly are behaviors that may still regulated by responsible authority. The third and the last problem that made the developers to bring this helmet is congestion during peak hours. Congestion during peak hours will cause motorcyclists to have accidents. It is because congestion will cause a high volume of vehicles, including heavy transport such as trucks and lorries. Yes, right? This situation has allowed the motorcyclists to pass through the vehicles easily. Some of the motorcycles too fast when passing through the vehicle. This will make them more careless when one vehicle crashes into the motorcycle. For example, Changlun is the main route of heavy vehicle to transport the goods to Bukit Kaki Hitam or Thailand. Therefore, motorists, especially the students who bring their motorcycle to UUM, need to be very careful when riding through the place. Now, very interesting part, we're going to see the functions of chin strap detector and alcohol detection system. Let's go. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys about, here we have alcohol detection system and we have two buttons to make sure the chin strap detector works well. Alright, so the first button is inside the helmet and then the strap detector, of course, at the chin strap detector. Okay, what are the function of this button that inside the helmet? Okay, I'll let you know guys. When we wear the helmet, if we not wear the helmet properly, the button not press the helmet properly, it will come out with the beep sound. If the chin strap detector not wear properly, it will come out with the beep sound also. So the functions of chin strap detector is make sure the rider always wear the chin strap properly. Then give beep sound continuously if the rider does not wear the chin strap properly. Next, the very interesting part is send notification through Telegram if the rider does not wear the chin strap properly or not wear the helmet properly. This makes sure the rider in safety condition during their journey. Next, of course, we're going to see about the alcohol detection system. Alcohol detection system makes sure the rider in good condition during ride the motorcycle. If the rider took alcohol, this is of course going to detect the percentage of alcohol that taken by the motorcycle rider. This notification also will be sent through Telegram if the rider took alcohol during riding. This system makes sure the rider always in a good behavior during the journey. Now the most awaited part, we're going to see how the system works. Alright, here they call as monitor. This is the main system of this chin strap detector and alcohol detection system of this developed helmet. Alright, we're going to start this helmet. Okay, the rider should wear the helmet and then start the system before start riding their journey. So first they will start the motorcycle, next they will start this helmet, and then the rider should wear the helmet properly. Now we can clearly hear the continuous beep sound, right, that keep on annoying the rider. So that's the system actually. The beep sound continuously will go for make sure the rider wear the chin strap detector. That's the main objective. Now let's wear the chin strap detector. Yes, the beep sound stops, right? So the main function of chin strap detector is make sure the rider always wear the helmet properly and wear the chin strap detector properly. If the rider also taken alcohol, you guys can see here the alcohol detection system. This system will make sure the rider is not drink or drunk the alcohol during he drive or ride the motorcycle. Because when he exhale, we can clearly see the exhale can detect in the system and detect the rider was taken alcohol or not. This is how the chin strap detector and alcohol detection system works. We can conclude that most motorist accidents and deaths are due to alcohol and the careless behaviors of motorists on horseback riders. Helmets are designed to reduce the number of accidents and the risk of brain injury to prevent concussions. The material that are used of most helmets engineered to reduce the energy from the impact that can produce skull fractures and severe brain injuries. This system can fix on any helmet. It's not depend on quality, expensive. It is flexible to place in any system of helmets. So people can easily buy this product and place in their helmets. This helmet will make sure to control the behavior and also protect from the accidents. The severity of the injuries suffered by motorcyclists is an accident is typically very severe. According to the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration, motorcyclists are nearly 5 times more likely to be killed in an accident than people who are riding in a car. To prevent all these factors that we have clearly seen throughout this project, we are seeking more technology and innovations so that together we can stand up and reduce the number of motorist accidents in Malaysia, not at present but also in the future. Thank you everyone.